What's up guys, you are welcome to another video. In today's video, we'll be talking about how you can use an old Android device that is just lying around in your house as an IP camera for the security of your home, or as a baby monitor if you have a little child in the house that you need to keep an eye on. Let's jump right in. Now you need an app called Alfred Camera. Once you download and install that app, you'll be required to log in. Once you log in, you have to choose one of two modes. Either you want to use that particular phone as a viewer or as a camera. I'm going to log in with Google and I'll select the account I want to use. Don't forget that you need internet connection. Of course, the phone that is being used as the camera needs to have an internet connection, and the phone that you are going to use as a monitor also has the need for internet connection. So it's going to request for some permission, so you accept those permissions. Point this camera at where you want to monitor. Of course, you can look through the tips here. Now, once you have finished installing the app on the first phone, you can choose to use that phone as either a camera or as a viewer. So in this case, I want to use this particular phone as a viewer, so I select viewer, that is to switch to viewer, and then tap continue. You will be asked to log in again. So you just follow the same steps, log in with a Google account. You can continue with either your email address or an Apple ID. Now, since this is going to be a viewer, you will be expected to add a camera to the viewer. So this time around, I'm going to install the Alfred app on the second phone and add that phone to the app as the actual camera. So let's see how that goes. So I'm going to log into the camera app, follow the same step, continue with Google. The phone is a bit slow, so you bear with me. Now accept. And in this case, this has already been set up as a camera because that is the default. We are connecting to the camera on our viewer device. So you can see that there are two devices here. This one serves as the camera, while this other one serves as the viewer. You can place this other phone, which is serving as a camera now, at any point where you want to monitor, and you can use the second phone to monitor this other phone, that is as a viewer for your IP camera. So wherever you place it, as long as the phone that is serving as the camera has internet connection, you can use the second phone to monitor it from any distance. Of course, it works over the internet, so that's how it is. Apart from using it to view whatever is being recorded on the camera, let's look at other features around the interface of the app. You see here that an icon with a little yellow dot at the bottom of our camera frame here. If you tap on that, it gives you some options. It tells you the device name, the Android operating system, stability tips, where you can disable battery optimization, check whether the camera is running on the foreground or not. And then you can also view your connection report. Okay, let's take a look at that connection report. It shows you how frequently that camera app is connected to the internet, or how many times it is offline. It tells you whether or not your camera device is charging, and so on. If you go to events here simply shows you how often the motion detector, of course it makes use of the camera as a motion detection system, so it tells you how often camera has detected motion and recorded. So you can come here, tap on the event, and see how long whatever video that has been captured under that event. Now you can turn off and on motion detection on your camera, so you can tap on the bell here to turn off and on notifications. You want the camera to send you notifications whenever there's an event. Down here you can rename your camera, give it whatever name you want, or if you do not want to give it a custom name, you can just pick from the options that is available here. On a certain device, you can also change it to a camera if you want to use this other phone as a camera. You have Explore here. You also have Premium. Of course, they have some premium features such as HD viewing and recording. That is if you want to. Now, if you tap on more, it takes you to more in-depth settings that you can look at. You can switch the phone from being a viewer to being a camera. You can select your viewer settings, where you select your notification or vibration. Is there any task you need to carry out on your Android phone and it's giving you a headache? Drop it in the comment section so that anybody that has a solution to such a problem can drop it for you, or I can use it as a topic for a subsequent video. If this video was useful to you, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.